This 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultra Lite 274 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, slide-out, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, oven, external shower, skylight, auxiliary battery, TV, awning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultra Lite 274 RKS is 6,638 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.